So we're out here on the creek today and we're checking out all this American Lotus. But check out how big the leaves are on these things. And I got Jesse with me from Farrell Foraging.
What's up?
But there's a ton of diversity out here on this creek, and I'm looking at a bunch of buttonbush right now. Look at this. Buttonbush is a great shrub. You can grow it in your landscaping, but it can grow in straight water, and it's a great species for waterfowl. But we also have this species of hibiscus in here. This isn't swamp rose mallow. This is halberd-leaved rose mallow, which I've never heard of before. I've seen the pink-leaved or the pink-flowered hibiscus out here, but never seen it growing in straight water like this. This is a cool one. See, there's a bunch of lizard's tail and flower. So yeah, we're taking the Native Habitat Project to the water, and I wanted to introduce y'all to the grass tracker. After 8 years of not running, finally got her put back together, and she's good as new.